back to my channel. It's Danraj, and it's so good to see you again. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a rainbow keychain out of a mini rainbow charm. So, actually this is kind of my own design, and I've made this. And sorry about my camera if it's moving, like I'm doing it, but so you can see the whole thing. It's a keychain. And for today's supplies you'll be needing is these C-clip mark thingies. I have a million of them laying around, so I thought of making a keychain. And this is the Rainbow Ghost by Joy of Art. I'll link her channel down below so you can go check it out. But today's charm I'm using is the feelingspiffy's what do you call it? Scarecrow. Yeah, I forgot. And I'll link the tutorial down below so you can go check it out. Also with this one, I'll link the tutorial of this down below so you can go check them out and make them to your own charms if you want. But these are keychains, and you can put them on a purse, a backpack, a mini backpack. You can put them on anything. I thought of making them because I have some charms laying around, and I just stick this hook through. I'm totally sorry about that, but again, super easy. For this, you'll be needing your keychain marks, and I just get these on Amazon and my rainbow sets. So you could just, I'll link it down below so you can go get some keychain marks in Amazon. If you get rainbow sets, which I usually do, you may get these. So I don't know about you guys, but yeah. So you'll be needing keychain marks. You'll also be needing 2 bands, which are real stretchy. So I'm just going to take these normal rainbow bands, and I'm just going to stretch them so much as I can. But just make sure they don't hurt your fingers. So I'm just going to stretch them out a lot. So I've stretched it out a lot, and they should be big. So I got some stretched out bands. And then last but not least, you'll be needing your hook. And now we'll get started. First, what we're gonna do is take our hook, and we see a starburst. In your feelingspiffy designs, usually you won't have a starburst, but you're just gonna go to the top of your charm, and you're just gonna stick your hook into some bands. And I don't really care what bands. I just want them to be good and not that loose. So I got some bands on there. Then I'm gonna take my 2 big stretchy bands, and what I'm just gonna do is pull them through the top band and reattach. Sorry about that. And what we're gonna do is make a slip knot. So we're gonna take the back 2 bands and pull them over the front 2 bands. Like that. And we're not gonna tighten it that much, we're gonna tighten it just a little bit so it doesn't fall off. So what we're gonna do is take this off our hook, so make sure it stays there, and then you're gonna choose the color of your keychain mark, which I'm gonna use purple because it matches with the hat. So what you're gonna do is you have your keychain mark right here. These are plastic, and I've got purple because it matches with the hat. But you'll have your big circle, and then you'll have this mini small circle. And if you don't, try to do one, but you're gonna stick your hook through your circle, and make sure you have a hook that fits the circle. Mine is a little big of a circle, so I can fit it through like any hook, but it's really easy. And then we're gonna take, when it's on our hook, the circle, we're gonna grab this 2 slip knot bands back on our hook, and what we're gonna do is pull these 2 bands through the keychain, so it's like this, and it should be like wiggly woggly. But now what we're gonna do is take it, and we're gonna pull on it so much, and that's why I said we want stretchy bands. And now what we're gonna do is a little hard and tricky. We're gonna take the 2 bands that are on our hook and pull them off, and we're gonna stretch them so much, and so our keychain's like this. And what we're gonna do is take these 2 bands and put it over the big keychain and leave. And then it should kind of look like this. But the slip knot band is still not there, and you're just going to push it down and tighten it. And wabadoo! There is your rainbow loom keychain. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. It is a really short tutorial how to add a keychain. You can again put this on anything, a purse, a backpack, and you could just like clip it on easily. And yeah, I love how these charms turn out because I could stick them on anything. And yeah, this was designed by feelingspiffy, so thank you, feelingspiffy. I'll link her channel down below and the video of the scarecrow down below, so you can go check it out and maybe make a 2 charm if you want. But anyway, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like my videos. It would be so nice to do that because people can have more contact to make these beautiful charms. And I hope you enjoyed, and bye!